Greenland sharks are among nature's least elegant inventions. Lumpish with stunted pectoral fins that they use for ponderously slow swimming in cold and dark Arctic waters. They have blunt snouts and gaping mouths that give them an unfortunate, dull-witted appearance. Today we will discuss with you about the oldest shark, the Greenland sharks. Welcome back. This is Nature's Life. Many live with worm-like parasites that dangle repulsively from their corneas. They belong, appropriately enough, to the family Squalidae and appear as willing to gorge on fresh halibut as on rotting polar bear carcasses. Once widely hunted for their liver oil, today they are considered by catch. And yet, the species has an undeniable magnetism. It is among the world's largest predatory sharks, growing up to 18 feet in length, but also among its most elusive. Its life history is a black box, one that researchers have spent decades trying in vain to peer inside. The sharks, which live for up to 400 years, are believed to have unique genes that could help explain not only their remarkably long lifespan, but also life expectancy in other vertebrates, including humans. The massive Greenland shark was found in the North Atlantic Ocean by scientists who estimated it to be up to 512 years old. Greenland sharks, which only grow 1 centimeter a year, have been known to live for hundreds of years. The scientists used the shark's size to suggest its year of birth as early as 1505, when King Henry VIII ruled England. Leonardo da Vinci was painting the Mona Lisa. Christopher Columbus was exploring, and before Michelangelo began painting the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in Rome. Experts used its 5.5-meter length and radiocarbon dating to determine its age as somewhere between 272 and 512 years old. It was the oldest of a group of 28 Greenland sharks studied. Greenland sharks mostly eat fish, but they have never been observed hunting. They have been found to have remains of reindeer and even horses in their stomachs. They are considered a delicacy to eat in Iceland, but the meat is toxic if not correctly treated. The shark would have been alive during major world events such as the founding of the US in 1776, the arrival of the first fleet at Botany Bay, NSW, in 1788, both world wars, 1914 to 1918 and 1939 to 1945, and the sinking of the Titanic in 1912. The researchers have mapped out all the sharks' mitochondrial DNA, which is genetic material held in tiny battery-like compartments in cells that supply energy to the body. Little is known about the biology and genetics of the Greenland shark, which is found in deep waters in the Atlantic Ocean, from Canada to Norway, including north of Ireland and Britain. It is a member of the sleeper shark family that has existed for around 110 million years. The DNA study has shed new light on its behavior and how it is related to the other members of its species, living thousands of kilometers away. Since the Greenland sharks lived for hundreds of years, they also have enough time to migrate over long distances, and our genetic results showed exactly that. Most of the individuals in our study were genetically similar to individuals caught thousands of kilometers away. But apart from these, we now know that nature is a mystery and have prepared many other mysteries for us to make us impressed.